Commission Pages review. I'll be giving you a review of this product by Glynn Kosky. Today I'm here with a review of a new product by Glynn Kosky, Commission Pages. I'll do a demo of the product and I also have some bonuses for you guys, so please keep listening. If you're just starting out or you are already in an affiliate marketing space, and this might be something to consider, because affiliate marketing, there's a lot of moving parts that you have to combine, for you to be able to be successful with the game. So if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button so that you can be notified whenever I do a new review. So without wasting much of your time, let's get to the screen. Let me show you what Commission Pages review is about. So this is the home page of Commission Pages. You have the dashboard here. You've got some tutorials, so it comes with some tutorials just explaining to you how you can use the Commission Pages. So it's just loading up. So as you can see, these are some of the tutorials that are included with the Commission Pages. So it says, welcome to the Commission Pages tutorial. So this is just like a video here, just that gives you like an overview. The video that gives you an overview of the Commission Pages. So these videos are going to show you the overview of the system, how you can use the done for you campaigns, everything that you need to know about how to use Commission Pages. So there are some integrations as well that you can do. You can connect them to an autoresponder via so many API connections. And then it also shows you how to create some campaigns for any product. So you can use all these tutorials just to know and experience and have some experience on how to use Commission Pages. It shows you how to publish your campaigns. It shows you about social sharing tools, using the upgrades, everything. The super affiliate builder, the traffic strategies that you can use with the product. It shows you everything. And then here it says your campaigns. This is where your campaigns goes in. So if you want to create your own campaigns, it does come with done for you campaigns. But if you want to create your own, that's where you go, and then you're just going to press create a campaign here. So I won't be creating a campaign on this video, but I'm just showing you on how you can go on to create your own campaign. If you want to create your own campaign, you're just going to go through that create campaign button, and then here it will show you how you can fill all this form for you to be able to create the campaign. So you need the page title. You need to choose your theme settings, so that's just something to do with color, background, image. You can upload any image from your computer or anything that you're using, and then it will show you here as well the affiliate page settings if you want to put your own details as well. There you have autoresponder settings. This is where you can put your autoresponder details. You've got lead magnet settings, you've got squeeze page settings, download page settings. So you just fill this form for you to create your own campaign. You can put your Facebook pixel code inside here as well. Facebook comments SDK code, you can also insert it there. JavaScript code snippet from Facebook, you can insert there, and also the chat widget code. If you go into the done for you pages here inside the Commission Pages, you'll see that there are some done for you campaigns here. So if you don't want to create your own campaigns, you can just use one of these campaigns that are already available inside the system. You can edit the campaigns, and then once you're like comfortable with everything, you just press your publish button, and then there the social shares is then where you can then send your pages to all these major social sites for traffic. So you've got Twitter, you've got Facebook, LinkedIn, you've got Viber, you've got Freeboard. All this you can just share through, and then you share to them just to get traffic to your pages, and then you end up making money through your links on the pages. So as you know that to make money with affiliate marketing, you actually require to have a complete funnel. This is one of those funnels that are complete that will actually make you money. So you make stunning pages with it, and then you can get traffic as well inside this system. It's quite a good system. So if you decide to purchase commission pages through my affiliate link in the description below, then you'll be able to also get my bonuses, which are going to show you more ways of how you can make extra money with this system. How you can use this system to get free traffic. So as you can see, there's some steps. Step 1, activate free traffic up 1, activate free traffic up 2 and 3, and activate free traffic up 4. So there's quite a lot of traffic, ways that you can use to make money with this system. You get free traffic with it, guys. Traffic is the most, difficult things to get to your products to make money, but with this system is giving you free traffic. That's just insane. So there's some memberships with this system. So you can upgrade, you can downgrade at any time that you want. So there is an unlimited membership that you can get. So you can upgrade to Unlimited Pro. That's just another video showing you how to do that. You can upgrade to Done For You. That's just another video that's gonna show you how to do that. And you get unlimited traffic as well with another upgrade. And there is another 30K upgrade. So super affiliate, you can upgrade to super affiliate. So you are going to upgrade to whichever you actually think is comfortable for you. You can have another upgrade to license rights. So this is just gonna allow you to resell the system, and then you keep the commissions. You can upgrade to ATM edition. So all these upgrades here for you, you just need to watch these videos, and then you can decide which one you want to upgrade to. If you want some help, there is the help button. So you can submit a ticket through the help desk here, which are going to get back to you. And you can also, there's a knowledge base also, because sometimes if you just don't want to send a ticket, because most of the times there are some other questions that have been asked before, then you can get help from there. Instead of you submitting like a ticket and then you have to wait for a response, you might as well just browse and look. If the question that you want an answer to is not there, that's when you do submit a ticket. And if you have submitted a ticket already, you can view it through this button, and then you can be updated if there is any updates through on your ticket. As I have said, guys, this looks like it's something that's got everything one needs to make money online. So let's get through some examples of these amazing commission pages. So if you press publish on any of these done for you campaigns, let's just try and then press publish on these passive profit funnels and see some examples. So let's try and see some examples of how these pages looks. So if you go to one of these done for you campaigns and then publish them. Let's just publish one and then we can see how they look. So this is what you get. You get the squeeze page URL, you get an affiliate page URL. So if you do publish one of these done for you campaigns, if you decide to use these done for you campaigns, if you press publish on any of them, let's just publish one, and then this is what you get. So you get the squeeze page URL, you get the affiliate page URL, you get the lead magnet page URL, you get the download page URL. So you can copy these URLs and then share them to make money. So let's view the squeeze page and see how it looks. As you can see, it's quite a clean looking squeeze page. It actually looks nice. So this is a converting squeeze page. As you can see, it's so clean. Let's see the affiliate page. If you view that, there is the free download. Your free download is waiting for you. So this is like a bonus page here. There you go. It's quite nice. These are converting pages, guys. So they just have to click here to claim their copy. So it's up to you to decide whether you want to use these done for you pages, or you can create your own custom pages inside the system. Now let's get into the prices. How much does this system cost? So there is an early bird price of $17, but this is only if you get it within the first 6 hours of going live. So if you get it between the time that it's gonna go live on the 15th of November, which is tomorrow, if you get it within the first 6 hours, you are going to get it for $17, and the price is gonna be going up every hour. So the sooner you get it, the cheaper you're gonna get it. After 6 hours, then it might go to $27. So as you can see, the price will rise every hour. So the sooner you get it, the cheaper for you're gonna get it. So there is some autos with it. So auto one for this, auto one is unlimited. Auto 2 is done for you. Auto 3 is unlimited traffic. Auto 4 is 30 grand per month. Auto 5 is the super affiliate. Auto 6 is the license rights. So if you want to know more about all these autos, you just need to go through my link in the description below, where you're going to read everything about all these autos. So now let me show you my bonuses. Yeah, some bonuses that you can get with this system if you buy through the link below in the description. So it's just like a thank you from me to you if you decide. These are the bonuses that you're going to get on top of whatever you're getting with the system. So this is a bonus tutorial that you're going to get. This is another way how you can get even more traffic to your commission pages. So this is like an underground method, if you wish, that you can also use to get more traffic and earn more money with the system. I've got another bonus here that's even more traffic, but this one is also an approved method that gets like highly converting traffic, traffic that buys. So if you get this system through my link, you're going to also get this bonus tutorial showing you how you can get even more sales with the system. And there's another bonus as well that you can use other ways to make money with this system. So this bonus is just going to show you how you can use the commission pages, yeah, with affiliate marketing offers through this bonus tutorial is going to show you how you can make more money with the commission pages using CPA converting offers. So it's just going to show you some converting offers which you can use to make more money with this system. There is another bonus. This bonus, it's included inside this system. So it's got like 17 information products, from traffic to ways of making money with the system. So you get all these 17 information products which are going to show you even more ways of how you can make money with this system, even more traffic of ways of how you can get more traffic to the system, and then you make your money. So that's it from me. Join me again next time. Remember to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and press this notification button below so that you can know whenever I do another review video. But until then, bye.